In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or power on iPhone XX. So if you have any of the iPhone X series and this is your first experience with it and you want to power on your iPhone XS or turn on the iPhone XS, this video is going to walk you through step by step. There are two different ways you can use to power on or turn on your iPhone XS. It is either you connect the iPhone XS to your charger to turn it on while the phone is charging, or locate the side button on the right side, press and hold it for like a few seconds. Then once you press and hold it, and once you see the app logo comes up just like this, then let it go. This is going to take like 5 to 10 seconds for your iPhone XS to turn on and boot to the home screen. If you have a password setup and Face ID setup on your iPhone XS, you'll be prompted to confirm your passcode. You can now use your Face ID to access your home screen when you turn on your iPhone XS for the first time. Then just swipe or go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Then you see, that's it. Then that's how you can easily turn on iPhone XX. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.